guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have yet another Miss to Mrs. unboxing. I forgot to mention this in my last video, but I will link the playlist down below because I do have a playlist filled with my Miss to Mrs. unboxings. So all the information you're gonna need if you wanna get your own is gonna be down below, and I'm just gonna jump into it. So this is the box. It's just absolutely gorgeous, hot pink with the gold on top, and then you open it up and you get your really cute, this one smells good, spoiler card with just a really gorgeous Miss to Mrs. paper. So the theme for this is Stop Pamper Time. So I'm really excited about that. Here we go. First up, we have a bachelorette party planning guide. So my bachelorette party is actually on Saturday, so I'm very excited about that. And then a wedding day photography checklist. So this will be really helpful too, because I have absolutely no idea what I want for anything ever, let alone pictures for one day. But here we go. So the first thing I see on here are some diamond embroidered spa slippers. So they just look like this. Those are actually really cute. Seem very comfy. I enjoy those. What's next? There's so much cool stuff in here. Okay, and then we have Tahitian Rose hand cream and body mist. So that is in here. Let me go ahead and bust it open. I recently found out that people are saying busted to describe things that are not looking good, or I don't know, just people have been saying busted, and now I can't stop. So that's where we're at in life. Ooh, yeah, it just smells like straight up rose. That's actually really nice. So I will definitely get use out of these. I think this would even, the spray would even be nice as like a pillow spray or something. But yeah, just a nice rose relaxing scent. Then we have a Keep Calm and Plan On hair towel wrap. And if this is what I think it is, I am amped, because I love these things. I have so much hair, it's unbelievable. Oh my gosh, so cute. So it's just this gorgeous, kind of like coral pink, and then it has the Keep Calm and Plan On, and then it has a little button, and you just, you know, put it over your head like this, flip your hair forward, wrap and snap. Yeah, but it keeps your hair up and out of your face while you are doing whatever the heck you feel like doing while your hair is all wet and up in this thing. So I love those. I'm very, very excited about that. And it's a really nice, like soft, high quality. So I'm here for that. We also have a natural lava exfoliating pumice stone, because you can't have those crusty, dusty feet, heels, and whatever else. So yeah, it's just a nice pumice stone all wrapped up. Very excited about that, because I get some freaking crusty, dusty feet sometimes, guys. It's gross, but that's why we have rocks to rub all over. Anyway, lavender bath fizz. That smells so good. I am very excited to use this. I might actually use it tonight. Then we have an antioxidant green tea essence mask. This will be really nice. I might do all of these actually in one shot. I don't know, I might get carried away. Might not, but we'll see. And then the last item in this box is, I believe, a gorgeous robe. So let me bust it open real quick. Okay, so it's just this really silky, smooth, soft robe. It's kind of short. Your booty cheeks might be hanging out the bottom, so I don't know if you want to be rocking like some Nike Pros or something underneath, or if you just want to rock out with your booty cheeks out, that's fine, whatever floats your boat. But I don't remember giving them a size when I signed up because it was so long ago, but I think this should fit, so because it does have a size on it, so I must have. And then here's a little string so you could tie it together. But anyway, that is that. I am very excited about this box. And then I recently moved. Peep the new and uncute background because literally I just moved like 3 days ago. But box number 5 was just delivered to my parents' house, so I need to go pick that up and do another unboxing, but I'll get to that eventually. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I have 2 other videos that I had to film, and then I will probably edit and upload some of these tonight. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this, and until next time, stay batty.